Alright guys, here's an update to my studio foam situation in my Jeep. Let me turn on the lights. And that's how it looks. I have a couple more panels to go. However, the temperature has been rising a little bit. It was 70 today, so it got hot basically. And the carpet tape wasn't holding it. Therefore, I was like, alright, gotta find a new solution. So I found this 3M high strength 90. So the cool thing about this is it's supposedly able to withstand heat and moisture. It says so right there, heat and moisture. So I just sprayed some on the middle panels, and I recently just got more panels, obviously, because how else am I going to install some more? So I got some more panels right here, and I cut them in half, and I'm just going to be putting it right there, there, all the way down, basically. And now I'm going to show you how I spray it. So here are the panels laid out right here. Here's the can. I have it on the high setting. So you just want to give it 3 coats. First you want to shake it up. Alright, so that's 1 coat, and I'm just going to go this way now. And then I'm going to do the same thing again, so that's 3 coats. Here are the panels. I just put 3 coats on it. Yes, I'm working on my Jeep wearing Sperry's. And now I'm just going to wait for this to dry for like a minute, and then I'm going to be putting the panels up. I want to tell you guys, once you're putting it on, you want to apply pressure to the surface of it so it can have a good bond to the surface. So just do this and hold for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just do that for all the panels. Here is the final result, guys. Here's how everything looks. It feels great, and I know this time that can works. And oh my god, I can't wait to hear how this sounds. Obviously, even if I play the music, you guys can't even tell the quality of the music. Last thing I want to say is, when you're doing that installation with that glue, it's always a good idea or tip to ventilate your Jeep, just so you don't, suffocate with the fumes. I really might consider doing the back of my Jeep. If you guys have any questions on this final acoustic foam headliner, hit me up in the comments down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.
They still out to get me, I don't get it. I cannot be gotten, that's a given. Yeah.